So today I'm in Northern Virginia and I'm here with Ravi, founder and president of Explore Digits. Ravi, first of all, thanks for joining us today.
You're welcome.
Share a little bit about the company.
Thank you for having me here today and letting me speak here. Explore Digits is a data science, data engineering firm focused on providing enterprise machine learning AI solutions for our federal healthcare agencies. We're a small business. We have been growing pretty good, and we have been focused on bringing solutions by knowing the customer knowledge and bringing in some repeatable solutions, frameworks, successful solutions in partnership with AWS.
Now, Ravi, we've been working together for quite some time, but you all have invested quite a bit in the AWS relationship. Share a little bit about your experience with AWS.
Yeah, AWS has been a fabulous partner for us. We are an AWS advanced consulting partner. We're very proud of that. The reason because we can look at being against large companies being still small.
Sure.
So we have access to many capabilities because of being an advanced partner. And this has happened because of the Think Big for Small Business initiative that you have.
Sure.
What did that do? It made us from a select member to a large advanced partner easily. Broke up a lot of barriers that small businesses have in getting there. And it enabled us to get critical capabilities that AWS has.
So you're advancing and growing so quickly. What solutions are you offering to the public sector customers, and what are you hearing from them about what they need?
The first one is called as Smart Policy Advisor.
Okay.
It is in the business of making regulations or policy decisions. You know, the government's one of the major activity is making right policies.
Absolutely, yeah.
Making data-driven policy making is critical so that these policies are effective and really make a difference. So that's the main product or solution we have built. I don't call it as a product, it's a solution.
Okay.
It's a framework that can be applied to many agencies and they could leverage it, and we built it together. It is completely based on machine learning, AI, and natural language processing.
Sounds pretty cool, and the flexibility in all the different departments of governments to then adapt to what their policy needs are or their unique departmental activities.
Yeah, think about it. There's so much data. If you can know what can the impact be before you make those policies, or how can you tweak the policies so that they can really make an impact, and also listen from the feedback, real-time feedback from the constituents, from the countries about what they are thinking. What is the sentiment about it? Because many times sentiments, perceptions play more act than the reality.
Sure.
So using this data, you could educate, you can make the more effective policies.
Yeah.
Customers have been talking about this. It reduced their workflow effort by 80%.
Oh my heavens, good heavens.
So think about they used to take 8 weeks to assess a policy and make a policy decision. They're able to do it in less than 1 week.
With much higher accuracy.
Accuracy
well.
and more effectiveness. Same thing with business rules and processing engine we're talking about. Able to process 30 million claims, healthcare claims, in 1 day becomes feasible now. So it reduces the risk for the customer for long-term sustainable solution.
What else are you hearing from customers that they need to accelerate their digital transformation? What's at the top of minds of some of the customers you're working with?
Yeah, customers are mostly for us right now, federal customers.
Yeah.
They are highly risk averse. They want to use their tax dollars very effectively.
Sure.
So making this transformation happen without impacting the business, but also having a constraint, huge constraint of the budget, is the major constraint. Being risk averse, but still be able to use those dollars effectively. And then the third important factor, which as I was talking, I remembered, is around security.
Sure.
Having these services being secure, mostly they call it as FedRAMP approved, moderate,
absolutely.
ability to have these services FedRAMP approved so that they could be appropriately utilized by the federal agency is another one of the areas. So,
well, you know, as a citizen that's helping fund these with taxes, et cetera, I think those are absolutely the right three to be focused in on, as from a citizen's perspective at the end of the day.
Very good.
Well, Ravi, thank you for a very inspiring conversation. You know, it's been a marvelous partnership over the last number of years, and looking forward to the adventures we get to do together in the future.
Thank you so much, Jeff.
Thank you
for the opportunity.